Hi, my name is Brian Mwangi and I present to you Study AI. So many students, while going through high school or university, have the problem of learning very easily or getting up to date with the documents that they are constantly shared with from their lecturer or from the department. So I am aiming to solve here is when students get these documents, most of them don't read them, and it's only fair because 129 pages is hard to read through. So how we are gonna solve this is by two ways. So we understand also that users have the problem of learning new concepts. So how we do it is that we are able to generate uh, small topics, small courses that on small topics. So for now, I'm gonna check programming. Probably let's say introduction to JavaScript JavaScript. Then you can add more information if you like. The other thing, you can select probably a beginner. If you need a video, yes, duration 1 or 2 hours. Number of chapter I may just put 4. Then I'll click on generate course layout. Here it is. So you can see introduction to JavaScript. We have like a table content, and then we have all these things. These are just like the steps that you're gonna learn with. You can change the image if you need to use another image, whatever you prefer. I can choose a different image, and it's gonna choose that for me. Then you can generate. Now this one is where we are going to generate the course content. This is the outline of it. Then we generate the course content. And here you have the course that has been generated. So as you can see here, we have the course, and you can see we have also a link that can be able to be used to view the document. If I go back to the dashboard also, I can be able to see the courses that has been generated next to these. And if you click on start, you can be able to look around the video and understand whatever is happening with then the important feature I wanted to show you is the voice chat. So with the voice chat, my aim was, since I understand being a fellow student that it's hard to always study multiple documents, and sometimes you have like a deadline of like a week or 2 weeks to do exams, and you don't have that much time to go through each and every one of those the documents that you have, and really get to analyze them deeply. So what I created here is that when you select a document, I'm going to select one of the documents that I was learning with. Where is it? So here I'm going to choose the demand for money, which is one of the units. Then you have up to 3 files, but for now we are going to use one. So we have the demand for money. Then we are going to click discuss PDF. So what's going to happen is we are going to be loaded into a chat room or a video room, or let's say an audio room with an AI, which we are able to communicate with and really understand whatever we want, and really discuss the PDF that we have in place. So it will redirect. As you can see here, we are in that page where it's called Study AI Assistant, and then we have even a place where dialogue will start. So to just show you how it works, we have two tools for now. We have a search tool, and we have a generate quizzes tool. So let me explain, because when I start the call, it will use the audio. Sorry, it will use the microphone. So what happens is, once we start generating, once we start we click on start learning, we are able to communicate and reference to the document whatever we may want, and probably it's some whatever we may want that is related to the document will be fetched and really indexed. So we have Orama, which is inbuilt. So let me show you how it works. Let me just show you. Hi there, AI.
Hey there, how's it going? What can I do for you today?
Why might an investor choose to hold both bonds and money according to Tobin's model acquired from my documents? So it's going to search through the documents and it's going to find the relevant information before attempting to answer it.
Exactly. I'll search through the documents to find the most relevant information for your question about Tobin's model. Hold tight, and I'll have an answer for you shortly. That's a great summary. Tobin's model indeed suggests holding both bonds and money to...
Hi AI, please generate questions and answers with a focus on demand for money.
I'm on it. While I'm cooking up some thought-provoking questions about the demand for money, is there anything else you're curious about or need help with?
So as you can see, we have all the questions that we asked for the AI to generate, and we have 3 different types: inferential, factual, and application. And for each one of them, you can see they are very differently. You can see how might the concept of real consumption, what does the utility function, and we also have the answer that is hidden for now. So with this, my aim is to enable or to help students and mostly myself, my fellow students, to really dive deep into documents and really understand whatever they are being given to read as they are pursuing their career in whichever field they are doing. So that's my project, and thank you again. My name is Brian, and that's my submission for the DG Jam.